Hi everyone, welcome to the course overview. Here we'll discuss what you can expect to learn throughout this course. First, I want to say congratulations on making it this far. We have an exciting journey ahead of us, so let's dive right in. The initial section is designed to get you prepared to make the most of this course. We will cover the essentials to ensure you have a smooth experience. Following that, we have an optional section that provides a quick review of how English functions. While advanced learners might find it a bit basic, I highly recommend giving it a watch. It will give you a broad understanding of the English language. Now, let's move on to the main part of the course, which is divided into 3 sections: English grammar, English writing and punctuation, and English speaking and conversation. Within the English grammar section, you will explore various topics, each containing its own lessons, PDF materials, and practice exercises. We will cover everything from verb tenses to more advanced grammar concepts. In the English writing and punctuation section, we will look into sentence structures and explore different punctuation marks that are commonly used. This section will help you enhance your writing skills and understand the rules of punctuation. Here, we will cover a wide range of topics and introduce you to thousands of new vocabulary words, phrases, and verbs that native English speakers engage in daily. The aim is to boost your confidence and fluency in spoken English. Furthermore, I'll provide you with useful resources outside this course that can help in your English language journey. Congratulations! You have completed this introductory lesson. I'll see you at the next one.